guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pashvika. Welcome to GLOBO Magazine page channel where we make content for artists and creative entrepreneur. In today's video guys, we're gonna be talking about, in fact I'm going to show you some books on the Amazon that are selling $1,000+ each month. So we're just gonna go over to my laptop and I'm gonna talk about and I'm gonna show you those books in the niches, in the various different niches which are selling so amazingly well, and you can take an idea, you can take an advantage of those niches and can create your own low and no content book out of it. And before going into the good part, consider clicking on the like button guys. I really appreciate that. And if you want the free KDP interior bundle for making your own low and no content book, then I have a complete free bundle. The link is in description box below. You can download it and you can use it for making your books. Now let's hop onto my laptop and yeah guys. We are on the Amazon, so we're just going to see which are the books that are quite popular and what are the niches and how much they are making each month. So this is the first book that I'm going to take, is a Swery Planner 2021 daily, weekly, monthly, 12 months planner. So it's a daily, weekly, monthly planner for a year. I was launched in October 19, 2020. So it's a 1-year planner. So let me just scroll down and see their bestseller rank. So this is their bestseller rank. Let me just copy this and come over to this Amazon book sales calculator. It is by TCK Publishing. I want to tell you guys, this book sales calculator is not 100% perfect. It's not 100% perfect. It's just showing you the numbers, so you can take a range, you can take a rough idea how much that book is selling each month or per day based on their bestseller rank. So it's not 100% perfect, but you can very well get an idea how much it's selling and how much you can expect to target that particular niche and all that. So we're just going to copy over here and just calculate 415 sales per month, and 1 day sales is 28, which is quite awesome guys. Now this is not an exact calculator, so you can get a rough idea. Like if they are making sales per month, there's 415, so I can get an idea that they are selling between 400 to 500 sales per month, or 500 units per month. So if I see their price range is $6.95, and $6.95 multiplied by 415. So let me just pick up my calculator. If I just put into the 6.95 into their units, so we are taking as a 420. So you can see they are making $2,919 from this just one single book each month. Now it's a revenue guys, it's not a profit, it's not a royalty, it's a revenue. They are making $2,919, like somewhat like $2,500 to $3,000 each month from selling this book. Now it's a revenue. The royalty profit would be different. I guess they would be having $2 or $1 or maybe more than that as a royalty, but this is just a revenue. So you can see how much this book is making. Now let me just go and see for some other book in different niches. So we're just gonna see some coloring books. So let me just scroll down and pick up any coloring books which I can see can pass the criteria. So I'm going to just pick up this mermaid coloring book. So this is a mermaid coloring book for kids ages 4 to 8, silly bear coloring books. So let me just scroll down and see it's 103 pages book. The bestseller rank 1690. So I'm just going to come over here and type 1690 and calculate sales. So they are making 1506 sales per month. So what is the cost of the book? So the cost of the book is $5.99. Okay, 5.99 into 1506. So this is my calculator. 5.99 into 1506 is equal to.
So you can see this book is making $9,020 each month. Now it's a rough estimate, guys. So again, we can take a rough idea that it could be selling from $9,000 to $9,500 each month. So this is an amazing estimate you can get from how much that book is selling each month, how much units they are selling, and you can get an idea that this is a type of book it is, this is a category, this is a niche, and you can very well go that. So this is another book. Now we're just gonna see some other book. This one was the coloring book, so we're just gonna see a simple line generals like the planners we have seen. We have seen the planners, we have seen the coloring books. Now we're gonna see the line generals, which are the simple, most easy book to make. So this is a line day general, daily general, 5-year general, modern, floral, dark cream pages. So let me just click over this and we're just gonna see their bestseller rank. So it's uploaded back in 2017, so it's a quite established book. So let me just scroll down. Their bestseller rank is 638,401. So their bestselling is not appropriate, guys. So they are not making that much. So let me see some other book which is making more than that. Line, let me just see, one line a day general, 5-year memory, 600 line data line general. So just click over to this book. Based on the reviews, I can see that they would be having high bestseller rank. So let me just scroll down. Their bestseller rank is 41,680. So let me see how much this book is making. Come over to here, paste, calculate sales. So 100 sales per month, and what is the cost of the book? 9.97. Wow. And let me see their pages, 368 pages. Okay, so that's why the cost is high. 9.97 into 108. So this is my calculator. 9.97 into 106. Wow, so they are making $1,056 from a simple line general. That's it, guys. So this is again a revenue, this is not a profit, but you can get an idea that you can target in these niches and can expect to make $1,000 or even more in revenue. The profit would be separate, but this is just a revenue aspect. So when we picked up the line general, the coloring books, and the daily planners. So these are the 3 books that are selling well in these broad niches. Of course, you can sub-niche down and pick up a category, pick up a keyword which is not that competitive but still in demand. So that's all for today's video, guys.
I hope you really enjoyed today's video. Leave a comment below and let me know what you think. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more upcoming related content like this. Thank you so much for tuning in today's video, guys. See you for the next time. Take care. Bye, guys.